Okay, everybody, before I was just so rudely intruded on with a phone call as I was recording that, this is audio number 2. So here is what you are getting, right? So first, I'm looking for 20 people. This is not going to be a large scale offer. I'm looking for 20 people who want to work directly with me by phone in March to co-create a super customized affiliate marketing and partnership program for your specific platform. All right. By the end of the month, you will not only have an expert understanding of how to build your brand with affiliate offers, but you'll also understand how to leverage ambassador marketing and profitable partnerships in a way that empowers and inspires your own members with these ideas. Now, I separate the idea of affiliate marketing in the traditional sense, like incorporating affiliate offers, let's say as listings on your community or as products on your store, versus more skillful leveraging of ambassador slash partnership programs, which is you actually having offers of your own that you're able to allow your members to resell as ambassadors for you, as well as enabling your members to resell offers of others on your platform, right? So member A can help member B by selling or recommending or referring people that he or she may know to member B, and member B can do the same thing if it's appropriate for member A and member C and member Z, etc., etc., right? So this is how you create an immersive, dynamic e-commerce exchange or marketplace, and you don't need a lot of fancy pants plugins or expensive themes or frameworks or otherwise to make this happen. You can use very, very skillful technology that is available to all of us, and most of this can be done for free. So, again, I'm not covering this idea at this granular level on this call, but WooCommerce, for an example, most people don't realize WooCommerce is free, and it has the built-in functionality of facilitating affiliate sales or marketplace style functionality on your community for free by simply selecting the external product type and inputting an affiliate link. You are, again, empowered to be running a marketplace even on the most generic static site if it's WooCommerce friendly, and 99% of themes are WooCommerce friendly. All right, so here are the details of this specific offer. Again, it's available on March 5th, and this is what you're getting. So the general nuts and bolts is a customized marketing map for your specific directory project, marketplace, or platform. It is delivered in the following ways. One, we do a pre-call questionnaire. This identifies objectives and key results. You're going to share with me your big ideas, what you'd like to accomplish, your most ambitious plans for your platform, specifically as it relates to ambassadors, partners, and affiliates. All right. Once I have that information, we have our first call. Call number 1 is 60 minutes. You and I bolt, build, and co-create a customized ambassador, affiliate, and partnership program for your platform. All right. This is going to allow you to add massive value to your members and monetize in easy, ethical, and innovative ways. I stress co-create because this whole process is a collaborative process. Not everybody is the same, right? So there's not a one-size-fits-all approach that is right for everybody. People have different goals, different comfort, different, just different personalities as it pertains to building a brand. So my job is to, in collaboration with you, create something together that empowers, inspires, and motivates you to really want to apply these ideas in your life, right? In your brand, in your business, etc. All right. Post call number 1. So this is item number 3. You will get a clear, concise, and customized affiliate marketing and partnership program PDF predicated on your specific goals, objectives, and challenges, right? So, we've gotten the questionnaire. That's step 1. We've covered stuff together on the phone in 60 minutes where we've really, really gotten, very clear on what your goals are. And we've created this idea that is now codified in this PDF. And that's delivered to you post call number 1. So you have a written document which gives you the impetus that you need to actually implement and execute this in your business. All right, item number 4 is a second call. This is a follow-up 30-minute call, and it's designed to both expedite accountability and to ensure you have no issues implementing the ideas. And the reason I do this, and the reason I frame it as an accountability exercise as well as an implementation, execution, follow-up, is because when people know that they've invested time and energy and effort in a co-collaborative or a in a co-creative way with another person, in this case, me, right? They are much more likely, in my experience, to implement if they know there's a follow-up accountability call, right? So there is no joy for me in working with somebody who I may have a tremendously positive interaction and experience with, but who doesn't end up using these ideas in their life in a way that moves them forward, right? So the idea of doing a follow-up call is not only to ensure that any challenges you may have or any little blips or any little quirkiness that you experience or any questions that arise are answered. It is also purely in a transparent way to ensure that you actually do something with the ideas, right? Without having that follow-up, I fear I've had many, many wonderful interactions with many, many people who we've been excited and we've hung up the phone, and I look 3 months later or, a month later, and life intrudes and they haven't actually done anything. So my goal is to move you forward. That's my passion. And it's not just to have these intellectual ideas, data dumped on you in a phone call that doesn't actually make you money, build your brand, and allow you to pursue your most ambitious ideas in a way that actually lands in your life. All right, so we do that as well. That's the follow-up call. All right, so let's talk about the bonuses. I know I'm talking fast, but you will get a 30-day course on affiliate marketing that's not available to the public, with examples, PDF downloads, audio, video instruction, etc. This was a popular course I offered last year for a short burst of time. Had got really good feedback. There's a lot of various, instructional content. You'll get that. It's no longer available, but you'll get that as part of this program. Bonus number 2, this is really important. My guarantee, right? So I guarantee you will feel more confident, capable, creative, and inspired about building your brand and earning a real sustainable income from your content and your community using the affiliate, ambassador, and partnership, protocols, right? So using those specific strategies, you will come away from this experience feeling like expert-like in terms of your understanding. And if you don't, right, this is the guarantee. If you don't, you can request a refund after call number 1. No mess, no stress, no worries, no hard feelings, and no delays. All right, 100% guaranteed after call number 1. If this doesn't feel like it's transformed your thinking, I don't need your money. Bonus number 3, and this is my selfish motivation. beyond obviously the cost of the course or the cost of the program, is you will have early access to our Mindful Marketplace affiliate and ambassador program and get a preferred partners rate on high-end digital media and brand building offers that you can use in your community. This is especially relevant for those of you who are dealing with entrepreneurial audiences. You can resell our services to your audience and earn anywhere from $300 up to $5,000 for each referral. And again, on the real high end, these offers are only going to be available to people that have been trained by me through this process, because I can't just make those. We have offers that are in the entrepreneurial spaces that are really, really high end, that offer a tremendous amount of value, but they're costly. So I'm only comfortable offering offering affiliates the opportunity to participate if I've had lots of interaction with them. And the way of ensuring that on my side is the people who will have access to these in the beginning are going to be folks, obviously, logically, who I've trained, and I understand that they understand exactly the ethics, the approach, the angles, the challenges, and how to go about selling these services the right way. Everybody will have access to our ambassador program, our affiliate program, but there will be a special rate for affiliates that fall into the preferred partner bucket, let's say, and they have been vetted by me. All right, let's see if there's anything else here. Let me see. And that looks like it's pretty much it. So I'm really excited about this, and hopefully you are too. This is not for everybody. Some of you who are who are really, really beginners. I've had some emails from people in the last couple of weeks. I judge no one, but I've had some folks who are really, really just remedial in terms of their understanding of what affiliate marketing is, what a partnership platform is, what a ambassador program is. Somebody sent me an email that wanted to copy my articles from, these emails or from blog posts, and thought they were going to get paid when someone read them, and thought they had a good understanding of what affiliate marketing was. That if that's your level now of experience, this is probably not the right thing for you to buy. But if you are somebody who is really excited about your own brand, excited about your own business, and is looking for perpetual profit streams that will allow you to do some really cool and creative things that most of your competition will never understand, that this is something that I think is a good opportunity for us to work together, and for you to really take something exceptionally valuable out into the world in your own personal project or platform. All right, if you have any questions, as always, feel free to email me, say hello, hi@mindfulmarketplace.com. You can visit us on Facebook, leave me a message there, or just respond to the email that you are getting here. Okie doke. Thanks so much. Hope to see you next week, and I will talk to everyone soon.